Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus EMF. Copper is a versatile metal, widely recognized for its excellent electrical conductivity, making it a staple in countless electronic devices and wiring systems. Electromagnetic fields, or EMF, are energy fields that surround electrical charges and currents. Understanding their interaction is crucial for safety and technological design. We'll delve into how copper can be utilized to manage and reduce exposure to these fields. Copper's ability to shield against EMF stems from its high electrical conductivity. When an electromagnetic wave encounters a copper barrier, the free electrons within the copper are set in motion, creating opposing fields that effectively cancel out or reflect the incoming radiation. This makes copper an excellent material for creating Faraday cages or shielded enclosures, significantly reducing the strength of electromagnetic fields within. The thicker the copper, the better the shielding, especially at higher frequencies. Copper shielding finds practical application in various settings, from protecting sensitive electronic equipment to creating low EMF environments in homes and offices. It's commonly integrated into shielded cables, server racks, and even specialized paints. While highly effective against electric fields, copper's ability to block low-frequency magnetic fields is limited. For optimal performance, especially against electric fields, proper grounding of the copper shield is absolutely essential to safely dissipate any induced currents. To achieve comprehensive EMF protection, consider combining copper with other shielding materials, such as mu metal for magnetic fields, to create a multi-layered defense. Always ensure that any shielding solutions are installed correctly and maintained regularly to guarantee their effectiveness over time. Remember, a well-designed and properly implemented shielding strategy is key to minimizing your exposure. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.